Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your brother printer or scanner is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer and there is a problems connecting to the scanner. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu and then type mo lang dito yung device manager and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung print queue. Okay, ito siya. So dito kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay dito sa print queue, kailangan lang natin i-update tong kanyang driver. So ang next step natin gagawin, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung root print queue. So, select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung update driver and then pop up yung dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then select lang natin tong search automatically and then tap mo lang yan and makikita mo na kaagad dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so close lang natin tong device manager. So dito lang sa ating keyboard ay press mo lang yung Windows logo plus letter R. So pagsabay mo lang yan and then pop up itong run. Okay, so dito sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter itong command keyword na msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, kailangan lang natin i-paste dito sa box. And then, once na-paste mo na siya, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, pop up itong hardware and devices. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so dito lang sa troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, select mo lang dito yung advanced. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click itong apply repairs automatically. So, i-check mo itong box. And then, next, i-click mo lang itong next. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung pag-scan po niya mga kaibigan. So ang next step ay close lang natin tong hardware and devices. And then dito lang sa start menu, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang dito. Alright, so ganun lang po ka-simply on how to fix brother scanner not working in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.